I'm Anil Kumar. We are exploring how to find x and y intercepts from algebraic equations. We have four functions here on the left side and we'll write down their x and y intercepts. To find x-intercepts, the method is substitute y equals to 0. And to find y-intercept, substitute x equals to 0. Correct? So that is how you find x and y intercepts. You would also write coordinate points in the form x-intercept, whatever the value is, let's say x, y value always would be 0, right? In this case for y-intercept, the x value is going to be 0, and then you write y value, y-intercept. There's always one y-intercept, if at all there is. Normally we write letter B for it. Okay, that's okay. So let's see how to calculate these intercepts. If you are given equation of a line which is y equals to 2x minus 6, x equals to 0, gives you y-intercept of 6. This is called slope and intercept form, so you can just read it, correct? So from this equation you get y equals to 6 as your y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we have to equate y equals to 0 and solve for x. So let me do this solution here. So we'll equate y equals to 0 and solve for x. So we have 2x minus 6. Bringing 6 on this side gives you 6 equals to 2x, and that gives you x is equals to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. So we have the x-intercept as 3, 0. Perfect. So we have found x and y-intercept of this line. Let's move forward and find x and y-intercept for the quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation, x squared minus 7x plus 6, if I substitute x equals to 0, I get y as 6. So that is very simple. That is the y-intercept. So finding y-intercept is kind of simpler. You just need to put x equals to 0, right? So in this case again, y-intercept is 6, right? Okay. Let us do the calculations for the x-intercept. Now to find the x-intercept, we get the equation as 0 equals to, the equation is x squared minus 7x plus 6. We can actually factor this. Product of two numbers 6, sum as minus 7. So the two numbers could be written as x minus 6 times x minus 1, right? So that will actually give you this equation. When will this be 0? This will be 0 at x equals to 6 and at 1. So there are two x-intercepts for this parabola. And that is the answer, right? So let me highlight this answer in this case. Okay, let's move forward. We have x squared plus y squared equals to 4. That's the equation of a circle. Now if I write y as 0, right, then I get x squared equals to 4, and that gives me x equals to plus minus square root of 4, which is plus minus 2. So we have two x-intercepts here which are at plus minus 2. For y-intercept also, we'll write x equals to 0, right? So we get 0 equals to 0 plus y square equals to 4, and that gives me y equals to plus minus square root of 4, which is indeed plus minus 2. So the y-intercept is also plus minus 2 for this given circle. Let's move on to this rational function. To find the x-intercept, we have to equate y equals to 0, right? So if I write y equals to 0, then, this equation equals to 0. That is possible only when the numerator is 0. Is that okay? So I can equate numerator to 0 and calculate x. So we have 2x plus 7 equals to 0, 2x equals to minus 7, x equals to minus 7 over 2. That becomes the x-intercept. To find y-intercept, we'll equate 0 for x. So we get y equals to 0 plus 7 over 0 plus 0 plus 5. And so the answer is 7 over 5. So that is how we could find the y-intercept for the given equation, right? So that is the result of our investigation on these four functions. I hope you find it simple and useful. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Feel free to post questions. Thank you and all the best.